Hey everybody, how you doing? Just wanted to kind of check in with you real fast. We only have 6 weeks left. Can you believe it? Your early childhood assignment is coming up this Sunday. This is our last big essay where you either get to choose a child to interact with, do one of the Piaget conservation tasks, or you can observe at a preschool or a child development center. Hopefully doing the Persona Child worksheet for your child at 4 gave you all the terms and concepts and things that you're going to need to complete this essay. So a couple of things that I noticed on the Persona Child worksheets were people were a little bit confused about gross motor versus fine motor. Gross motor skills are the larger muscle groups. So gross motor skills would be dancing, riding a tricycle, running, hopping, skipping. Those are all considered gross motor skills for the preschool years. Whereas fine motor skills are the muscles of the fingers and the hands. So drawing, feeding themselves, zipping a zipper or buttoning a button. Obviously, feeding themselves at mealtime would be considered fine motor skills. So when you are filling out your early childhood essay, make sure that you really apply those terms and concepts. Um, as much connection that I can see to the book is better. Hopefully that helps. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about this. Again, it's due this coming Sunday night, your last big essay, so make it your best. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, just holler. Bye.